So there's a Nike store which is like 7 kilometers from my place, and it's raining outside, and I'm actually thinking to go on a run in the rain to that Nike store and get a sneaker. So let's do some sneaker shopping, guys. So yeah, time is 7 o'clock. It's 7:15 in the evening, and it's raining outside, and I'm gonna go for a run. I do really want to go for a run, but it started raining, so I can't help. But I will go for a run. And there's a Nike outlet which is like around 7.5 kilometers from my place, and I want to go there find some sneakers because I've just called them up and they've told me that they have very great deals on sneakers. To be very honest with you guys, this Nike outlet which I was telling about, it is officially the factory outlet of Nike in Riyadh. There you get a really amazing deals. It's very cold outside. I'm not gonna go just with this thing. Obviously I have to put something about this, so I'm gonna put my hoodie. Yeah, I'm gonna put my hoodie, put on my shoes. My shoes is over there. My shoes over here, I just clean them up and I have to put the laces on. This is really irritating task to do, putting laces on the shoes. Fuck man, but I have to do it. I have no other option. I ran like 2.5 kilometers and it started raining heavily. And it was lightning also, so I stopped by for a minute. And I'm gonna go run again in the rain. I want this, man. I want this. I really want this. The experience of running in the rain. No words to say. Honestly, no words to say. And boy, let's spin it. It's raining, but no, I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna run. I want this experience. I know you cannot say anything because it's shaking a lot, but still, and this is life, man. This is life. This is fucking life. At this point, I've remembered the quote, which is like really important. It's very difficult to start, but it's even difficult to be consistent. So better be consistent, guys. Otherwise, somebody's gonna cross you and they're gonna go big heights. So it was you who was supposed to go there, but somebody has done it because they are consistent and they will be consistent. So really quick update. Finished off 5 kilometers, just 2 more to go. And I can see the tower over there. It's hardly maybe 1.5 2 kilometers. What a run it was. And honestly speaking, I really liked when it rained. So when it rained, I could feel the energy pumping in. It was very good. And surprisingly, it completely stopped raining. It did rain for about 15-20 odd minutes and then it stopped. Now the climate is amazing. Really amazing. It is like cold fresh air coming and hitting you. It's very nice. You can see nothing is visible. So it's cloudy again. And it's gonna rain soon. And by the way, that is Narcissus Hotel, and this is Al Faisalia Tower. At the top, like over there, just below the globe, like right there, there's a restaurant. It's just 5 kilometers and I've reached the Nike store. First I thought it was around 7 kilometers, but it was not. It was just 5 kilometers and I've reached the place. Just gonna quickly go inside and gonna see a couple of good sneakers. And if I feel like anything to buy, I'll buy it. But I'm specifically looking for the Pegasus 38, which I can get over there. But let's see. This is the Nike store which I was telling about. Lots and collections. The one which I was looking for is I'm not able to find the one which I was looking for. I'm gonna go find it and then I'm gonna show you guys about it. So these are Jordan Flight Origin 4 for $750. So this one, the Air Flight of Nike. These are Jordans, by the way. So yeah, this was the one which I wanted. Package is 38. It's my size. And how is the color though? It's pure white and has some kind of pattern on it. This is for 370 riyals. आप कितने साल से हो यहाँ पे?
12 साल।
12 साल हो गया माशाल्लाह। 12 साल में बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया ना यहाँ पे सऊदीया में।
मैं 2009 में आया था।
हाँ, पहली दफ़ा उस 10 में आए थे। और छुट्टी कितने बार गया?
क्या
छुट्टी कितने बार गया था आपने?
छुट्टी 3 बार गया।
अच्छा, 12 साल में 3 बार। फैमिली यही पे या पाकिस्तान में?
फैमिली पाकिस्तान में।
यहाँ पे कोई अच्छी मशहूरी पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट है, मतलब अच्छा खासा अच्छा खाना मिल
अच्छा
जाएगा?
खाना
हाँ।
है एक इधर है,
क्या नाम था?
लोहरी कबा।
वही जा रहा हूँ मैं अभी।
वही जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, इसलिए मैं रहता हूँ मलस में।
अच्छा,
मलस से यहाँ तक भाग के आया हूँ मैं रनिंग करके।
यहाँ तक
हाँ,
कितना टाइम
लगा मेरे को एक 55 मिनट्स लगा है, 1 घंटा पकड़ लो। हाँ, बीच में बारिश हुआ। अच्छा, मैं बारिश में भी पैदल से मतलब भागा। लेकिन अच्छा था, मौसम अच्छा था ना, तो एक शू लेने के लाए थे। ये वहाँ पे अभी मिला नहीं शू है, लेकिन मेरा साइज़ नहीं है। लेकिन गया क्यों 30 किलोमीटर पैदल?
ऐसे ना हमारा इलाका जो है वो थोड़ा
हाँ,
साइड में पहाड़ी इलाका है।
अच्छा।
सही है। और वहाँ जो रोड गया ना वो बर्फ़ की वजह से बंद हुआ था।
अच्छा, वो भी सर्दी के टाइम पे? सर्दी के टाइम पे 30 किलोमीटर आप चलाए तो मतलब वो बहुत मशहूरी की बात है। वो पैदल 30 किलोमीटर जाना छोटी बात नहीं है।